Ilan yung mga persons of interest natin, sir?
More than 5.
Including mga politicians and men in uniform, tama?
Yes. Alam naman niyo siguro kasi nasa very ano man yung bangayan nila sa Facebook, sa social media. So hindi ko na lang pangalanan pero those individuals na nandoon na sa itong awayan is sila yung sinupinahan namin. May kanya-kanya silang mga parte. One is to drive the vehicle. The other person, the second person, is to shoot the victim, the target. And the third man, he is in charge in closing and opening the automatic window on the left side, the second row na window, left side. So siya ang taga bukas. So the moment nabuksan, fully open, so makapag-shoot na siya.